Summer starts this weekend at Tremblant, so every week we'll have a new video to show you what's coming for the weekend. We'll start at Le Petit Géant in the pedestrian village, so come and play around and mini golf with us. So this weekend, what's open? There's the mini golf, there's all of our indoor activities, the Tremblant Casino, most of our shops and restaurants, and of course the Tremblant Activity Center. It is also the opening of the golf season at Tremblant, so at Le Diable this Friday, May 9th. We're also kicking off the event season at Tremblant this weekend with the BLOOMAFEST on Friday and Saturday, as we'll welcome big names for the Canadian musical scene such as Charles Cardet and Patrick Watson. There are still a few tickets available, so don't miss out. So come celebrate Mother's Day with us this weekend at Tremblant. We have a lot of activity for you, so see you there.